This is what's up next for our abandoned house renovation. Watch us turn this once forgot about house into homes with our family.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition. I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. In the basement with my daughter on my lap, writing raps, trying to figure how to come up with a stack. But I know I just need to strap these tools up on my back. That shit slow, though. I'ma make a milli doing that.
So do you see these two? They are the ones responsible for this mess.
Fuckers.
Sad thing is, this was not the first time. It wasn't the last time either.
Bay, the real MVP in here. We still over here at the house working. So we can't find nobody to do mud. She took it upon herself to just watch a video and start mudding her damn self. And it looked good, so shout out to you though.
Got a bad beat, quiet but turn to a savage. Type to chase the check to run it up and split the bag with.
I got mud on my face. I've been working hard. We still at it. You feel me?
She said she love me. She gon' get that check and double for me. We gon' hit the mall and start balling. But money keep on calling, money falling.
Oh. Make sure you put your pressure on me.
You ready, dog?
Yeah.
1, 2, ready, go. Now rude.
Whatever. Here come this guy.
I watch it back and find a way to grow with you. Our kids who want for nothing, I put that on soul with you. On soul, I put that on soul. Bay down the ride, I just hope she play her role. All my brothers with me, please stick to the code. Keep on climbing with me, talk your shit and never fold.
I want people to make a decision today that grows so much fruit tomorrow.
Grinded all my life, so I think that I deserve more. In real estate deep, so I hope you got your rowboat. Up 200K, but I'm looking for that meal, no. Trying to break away, work for you, I'd rather kill slow. I'm stuck in the days, I see freedom out the window. They say it's far away, but fuck that shit, cause I just feel close. Got a little bit and she love me, she don't hold nothing above me. It's like heart attack when she rub me, but I ain't gon' cap, I be cuffing. All day long I'm hustling, tryna feed my family. Without them I ain't nothing. But watch all fam, cause some you can't trust some. Man, I got some stories that'll make you start cussing. But really I'm just tryna make a milli though. I dropped out of college but got the same job I was schooling for. Man, that shit is crazy, need my refund, yeah, my moolah ho. I just need my bread back to put it in the studio. Not really, I go and buy more houses. I'm out here fucking working while y'all sitting on your couches. Bitch, I wanna be rich, 100 acres in the mountains, and the ghost statue of me flexing, pissing in the fountain, and I'm gone. But I'm on the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it, making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition, I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, So watch me go and get it.
More money?
This is funner than playing a game. I want to do this every day. I'm scared. Today, I'm not scared. Look, I'm not even going to fall. Right, Mama? Mom, survive! That's why it was about to come from me. Almost made me fall.
That was not good.
Yeah, you will have to catch me. Can't see it. You can't see it. I'm gonna keep doing that to all of them.
Before the game is high as well.
Can't see it. I'm gonna teach you how to do that. You do a boop and then scratch hard. Boop and like a boop.
I was just thinking about it. I want a bigger body. I'm thinking Benz. I need some land. Make sure that I don't see nobody.
No time. You'll give it a little
I do. I really love some money. Yeah, and then I can get candy. Yeah.
candy.
Just me and the fam. So what's the plan? Let's sit down and think about it. Babe, grab me a pen, a paper with them.
Don't show up.
Don't show up.
Don't talk area. I'm in now. All the way.
You
Come. Don't talk area. I'm in now.
what the? So, this is what happens when somebody leave the upstairs water running on accident, but the bucket didn't overflow. So much for fresh mud.
Daddy, sorry for telling you what did you do. The guy's hand. It's all his
We can't do
fault.
nothing but let it drain.
Good thing is,
Because
I'm all drywall.
we don't even know how to swim yet. Not even my brother.
You wanna know something funny?
About to drown.
She like, oh my gosh, what about my, what you say, my shoes?
I definitely need to get my floaties.
Your folders? That's what you said?
My floaties.
Oh, your Meanwhile, little boo-boo boy in the room lighting it up.
But our life is what we make this shit. Just want to stay down and keep real because they faking it.
Alright, so they in here still mudding. She actually mudding the ceiling right here. And then hitting it with the texture.
Expressed his displeasure with the experience. Really? This has never happened to me, right?
Listening to the David Shan.
This just happened yesterday.
I can't listen to them because
Here's the thing.
they be having too many damn business ideas and be making me want to go do that. So I gotta not watch them because I'll be ready to jump and do new businesses and shit.
It's crazy because this is not one
I
of
don't want to
those.
say
This
desperate,
is
but
just
he really
like an entrepreneur talk.
And when I spoke to him, I let him know you're not my type of client that I would typically work with.
So how do you do that texture right there?
I know I'm looking crazy,
promise, you know,
but I'm putting the mud up there
I don't
first
see it. I just don't
and
see
then
it,
taking
right?
this little broom
I'll prove it to you, please. I promise.
and it's kind of mix like
And
a
so I said, okay, here's what we'll
Ooh,
do.
little
Because he was so
texture that kind of blends in with the rest.
so much.
You get your ass to work. You ain't got your time-lapse camera on. They run off with actually AA batteries. This boy's still full and she left it on for some days.
And we just started working together.
But that's what they use for. These actually can run a long time. They construction time-lapse cameras. It'll be down in the description.
Oh, practice will make perfect. It's okay.
Then why are those feet right there?
Girl, don't be trying to blame him. You better get your skills together. Go work on your skills. Don't try to blame him. Cool. High five. Would you sleep?
Daddy, where's Apple?
Where Apple?
Daddy. Huh?
Huh?
Right here?
Oh. Y'all need some help?
Where is Apple?
Where came Apple? Let me tell you something.
Daddy came.
Let me see that.
Make me one now.
What? Stevie Wonder? Yeah. Right. Look at this. What is this?
Mama, that is beautiful. That is
It sure is.
Let me try.
Let me try. Move, let me try before I hit you with a left hook.
That looks different.
Let me try, Daddy, Mommy. Here's on that.
Mommy. Not with the knife, baby. This dangerous. This for grown-ups, okay?
No.
Not this. Grown-ups. He said no nuts.
Donuts? Yeah, I want the donuts. Me too.
Your fat butt ate them pink wafers too, huh?
No.
That don't make no sense.
2
Like,
weeks
that's
ago.
crazy how people would just dog your stuff.
It
Like,
wasn't even yours.
He ate freaking Ava's wafers, Ava's strawberry wafers. He ate.
Hey,
mine
did she
peanut
ask
butter
him?
Do-si-do cookies.
Did you ask for him? No.
They was there for reserve, not for you.
Actually, your kids ate them damn peanut butter cookies.
No, play
That's where the mother on my
So
brother.
you gave
Man, look at this peanut butter though.
cookies.
She talking about, you didn't know peanut butter. Man, ain't nobody about to make no damn peanut butter jelly sandwich with this.
You,
Look at her sandwich.
y'all better learn how to make it work. Cause I be making it work. So this is the room we was staying in. Just being like, forget it, you know what, no excuses. We gonna stay in this house until we finish this dang on project. Now it then came back around full circle. This is the last room that needs like a full mud job. Like, that's crazy. Like, we literally was freaking, this was our kitchen. This was our freaking classroom. This is where like we had to do everything because all the rest of the house was raggedy.
Keep to yourself and stick with the plan. It'll fall through and work out at the end. Things change, I think they all wokish now. Got a couple tricks up my sleeve, hocus pocus now. Gotta stay focused now, watch them close, they poking now. Plans getting closer now, go higher up, not close to the ground. Gotta watch my ways, don't got the time to take time off. I'm stuck in the days, that bullshit, it just fades off. We on our way, wait for the time just to break off. But no distractions, cause it's easier to slack off. Sorry, can't do it for free.
We got ready taping up the windows. It's time to paint. We got everything wiped down. We got everything muddied up. And now it's time to get the spraying. We got everything caulked. Everything nice and caulked, everything wiped down, everything scraped, mud, where it should be. Put the trim down in this kitchen too. This look real good. It's transferred to look at the kitchen already. We got a little homie crawling around there, or a big homie. We got the trim up, trim down, except for in the bathroom. We still got to put up the doors.
Keep to yourself and stick with the plan. It'll fall through and work out at the end.